Introducing the new Insta360 X4 8K action camera. Check out this video to get a fantastic idea of what your camera is capable of. If you haven't already acquired this camera, I've put a link in the description and also a link to a Dropbox folder where you can download 8K video samples, image samples, and more. Let's dive in. On the left side of the camera, you'll find the USB-C port and the battery compartment. Behind the battery is the memory card slot. You'll find the right type of memory card in the video description. Insert the memory card with the label facing the screen. Make sure no red is showing in these clips, as this means the camera is not waterproof. On the right side, you have the power and the Q button. You can program this with different functions and presets. I'll show you how to do this soon. The presets are a game changer. Below the screen, you'll find the rec button on the left and the menu button on the right, which you can use to browse through different modes. We'll explore these shortly. Key symbols on the display include the current resolution and FPS at the bottom. On the right, you can switch between Mega, D-Warp, and Ultra modes. Mega mode offers a wide and excellent view. It's the best option. D-Warp straightens lines but can also be done later in an app if you shoot 360 degrees. A swipe down brings up the main menu. Here we can turn on a few settings. First, there's rotation lock. I like to keep this on. It keeps the horizon straight even when you rotate the camera. Next, you can choose whether to use lens guards. I recommend using them since the camera's lenses are not replaceable and can easily get scratched. Quick capture is another feature I keep on. This allows the camera to start recording instantly when you press the rec button, even if it's off. And turn off when you press rec again. A great feature here is pre-recording. It doesn't work while shooting in 8K, but in 5.7K, this setting continuously buffers the last 10 seconds, and in 4K, 15 seconds. So, when you hit rec, you capture 10 or 15 seconds of footage before you even press the button. This is perfect for sudden moments like fishing or other surprises, ensuring you never miss a moment. To me, this is the essence of action cameras. I also keep the indicator light on. It shows a red LED when recording. In the settings, go to Image Settings, select Encoding H.265, bitrate high, and Video Sharpness medium. These settings provide, in my opinion, the best image quality. Here you can also select long press shutter button to cancel recording. A great feature if you've been recording for a long time and know you won't use the clip, just hold down the rec button. This deletes the video, saving space on your memory card. Back to the menu, here you can make different presets that you can switch with the Q button. There are a few predefined ones whose settings you can change, or you can create a completely custom one by clicking the plus icon. You can choose what shooting mode the preset uses, what parameters it uses, and how the material is saved. Quickly browse and switch these with the Q button. When you're back on the main screen, a swipe up lets you select different video settings. A swipe left takes you to camera settings. A swipe right shows you the contents of the memory card. To return to the main screen from anywhere, simply press the rec button. Let's look at different shooting modes. Pressing this button in the bottom right corner, you can select different shooting modes. Each mode has a brief description of what it does. Here, you can also decide whether to record in single lens, like traditional action cameras, or 360. Remember, with 360 you can edit afterward as if it were shot single lens, but you can't reframe single lens footage like you can with 360. When you select a shooting mode, set the image quality and parameters. The device will remember these settings next time. A critical aspect is the color profile in video mode. If you want to do color grading yourself, choose flat. If not, go with standard. Vivid is very saturated. With these settings, you're all set to capture some truly impressive footage. The next video you'll want to watch is how to connect this camera to your phone and update it. See you there.